How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can separate, edit, and combine shells in Meshmixer. So the way that you can do this is to, of course, first have different shells. So in my case, I'm going to click on edit. Let's click on plain cut. And then basically from here, I'm just going to slice our model into two objects, and I want to keep them together. Now, if you want to separate your shells, you can just click on it, and from here we then have these separate options. So it's going to look something like this. We have different objects right here depending on your cut. Now in my case, I have made multiple cuts, so I have different shells. So you could also click on it individually, and then it will be highlighted onto your objects browser. Now if you want to combine them together, just basically highlight the objects that you want to combine, and from here you then want to click on the combine option, which will then turn them back onto one object. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.